for fame and for fortune. I've wandered the earth, and now I've come back to the land of my birth. I've brought back my treasures, but only to find they're less than the pleasures I first left behind. For these are my mountains, and this is my glen, the breeze of my childhood will know me again. No lands ever claimed me, though far I did roam. For these are my mountains, and I'm going home. The burn by the road sings at my going by, the lark overhead wings a welcoming cry, the loch where the scart flies at last I can see. It's here where my heart lies, and it's here I'll be free. For these are my mountains, and this is my glen, the breeze of my childhood will know me again. No lands ever claimed me, though far I did roam. For these are my mountains, and I'm going home. Kind faces will meet me and welcome me in, and how they will greet me, my ain kith and kin. The night round the angle, old songs will be sung. At last I'll be hearing my ain mother tongue. For these are my mountains, and this is my glen, the breeze of my childhood will know me again. No lands ever claimed me, though far I did roam. For these are my mountains, and I'm going home. For these are my mountains, and this is my glen, the breeze of my childhood will know me again. No lands ever claimed me, though far I did roam. For these are my mountains, and I'm going home. For these are my mountains, and I'm going home.